Is the end of our planet, Earth, an impending reality or just a figment of our wild imaginations? This question has tickled the curiosity of humans since time immemorial. Throughout history, cultures worldwide have spun tales of catastrophic events, prophesying the end of days. These narratives, often cloaked in mythology, superstition, and religious beliefs, paint vivid pictures of our planet's imminent demise. But what does science have to say about this subject? The scientific perspective, grounded in evidence and study, often contrasts starkly with these ancient prophecies. Scientists tell us that the Earth's end is not a matter of if, but when. Yet, the how and why behind this inevitable end are not so clear-cut. From the sweltering sun's expansion to a cosmic catastrophe, myriad theories propose different scenarios for our planet's ultimate fate. So, is there any truth to these theories? Let's delve into the science behind these theories and untangle the mystery of our planet's ultimate fate. Our life-giving sun, could it be the harbinger of our doom? A thought that might seem counterintuitive, but let's delve a little deeper into the mysteries of stellar evolution to understand why this could be a plausible theory. Our sun, a star in its prime, is currently in a phase known as the main sequence stage. It's burning hydrogen into helium at its core, a process that provides the light and heat that sustain life on our planet. But stars, like all things in the universe, have life cycles, and our sun is no exception. As it goes through its life cycle, the sun will eventually exhaust its hydrogen fuel. When this happens, it will begin to transform, swelling into a red giant. Imagine, if you will, a sun so large that it could swallow Earth whole. But even before it reaches that stage, the intensifying heat and radiation would likely make our planet uninhabitable. Oceans would evaporate, and the surface would be scorched to a barren wasteland. But fear not, for this transformation is billions of years away. Yet it's a fascinating concept to consider, isn't it? The very star that provides us with life could also be the instrument of our planet's destruction. As the sun continues to burn through its fuel over countless eons, it will eventually shed its outer layers. What will remain is a white dwarf, a dense core that is a mere shadow of the sun's former glory. By then, Earth, if it still exists, would be a frozen, lifeless rock floating in the vastness of space. And so, the sun, our life-giving star, through its natural life cycle, could indeed be the harbinger of Earth's doom. A paradoxical twist of fate where life and death are intertwined in the cosmic dance of the universe. So, the sun's evolution could spell the end for our planet, but what if our demise comes from beyond our solar system? Stay tuned as we explore more intriguing theories about the potential end of Earth. What if the end doesn't come from within our solar system, but from the far reaches of the cosmos? Now, that's a chilling thought. But it's not just a figment of our imaginations. There are cosmic events, such as gamma-ray bursts and asteroid impacts, that could indeed cause the end of the Earth. Let's start with gamma-ray bursts. These are the brightest electromagnetic events known to occur in the universe. They can release more energy in 10 seconds than our sun will emit in its entire 10 billion-year lifespan. If a burst were to happen close enough to us, the radiation could strip away the Earth's ozone layer, exposing us to the sun's deadly ultraviolet rays. The result? A global extinction event. Now, let's consider asteroid impacts. We've all heard of the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. That event left a massive crater, over 100 miles wide, in what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. It caused a nuclear winter effect, where dust and debris blocked out the sun, causing temperatures to plummet. Most of the Earth's plant and animal life, including the dinosaurs, couldn't survive these harsh conditions. But what about evidence of these cosmic catastrophes? Well, we found it right here on Earth. The aforementioned crater in Mexico is a stark reminder of the asteroid impact that ended the reign of the dinosaurs. And while it's harder to find evidence of gamma-ray bursts, some scientists believe a mass extinction around 450 million years ago may have been caused by one. Yet, while these cosmic events are indeed threats, they are relatively rare. Asteroid impacts of the magnitude that wiped out the dinosaurs only happen approximately once every 100 million years. And gamma-ray bursts? They're even less frequent. So, if these cosmic catastrophes are so rare, why worry? Well, here's the kicker. We, humans, might be speeding up the process. Our actions on this planet, from pollution to deforestation, could potentially bring about the end sooner than any asteroid or gamma-ray burst. Cosmic catastrophes have wreaked havoc before, but could our own actions bring about the end sooner? It's a sobering thought, but one we must confront if we wish to safeguard our future. Could we, the supposed caretakers of this planet, be its ultimate destroyers? In our quest for development, we've tinkered with Earth's intricate systems in ways we're only beginning to comprehend. Climate change, for instance, is no longer a prediction but a stark reality. Our insatiable appetite for fossil fuels and relentless deforestation have pumped excessive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This has resulted in a warming trend that is reshaping landscapes, altering weather patterns, and pushing many species towards extinction. Then there's the specter of nuclear warfare. The detonation of just a fraction of the world's nuclear arsenal could plunge the Earth into a nuclear winter, drastically reducing sunlight and causing global temperatures to plummet. The resulting famine and disease could wipe out much of the human population. And let's not forget resource depletion. Earth's bounty is not infinite. We've been extracting minerals and burning fossil fuels at an alarming rate. Many of these resources took millions of years to form, and once they're gone for good. Overextraction is not just depleting these resources, but also causing significant environmental damage. Scientists have been sounding the alarm bells for decades. Studies show that human-induced changes are causing the planet to warm at a pace unprecedented in the past 1,000 years. Evidence from ice cores and tree rings reveal that the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere is higher now than at any time in the last 800,000 years. Meanwhile, the doomsday clock, a symbolic representation of how close we are to destroying our world, is currently set at 100 seconds to midnight, the closest it's ever been. This is largely due to human-induced threats like climate change and nuclear war. Clearly, our actions have a significant impact on our planet's future. But what does this all mean for us? Facing the end of our world is a daunting prospect, but understanding it is the first step towards prevention. We've delved into the depth of possibilities, from our own sun's sweltering future, to cosmic catastrophes beyond our control, and even the impact of our own human activities. Each of these theories, while chilling, are crucial parts of the puzzle that is our planet's future. Let's recap. The sun, the very source of our life, is also a ticking time bomb. In billions of years, it will expand, engulfing our planet in its fiery demise. But even before that, its increasing luminosity might make life unbearable here on Earth. Then there are cosmic catastrophes. Asteroids, black holes, galaxies colliding. The universe is a dangerous place. Although the odds are slim, a single catastrophic event could wipe out our planet in a blink. And we can't ignore our own impact. The scars we've inflicted on our planet through pollution, deforestation, and overexploitation of resources are accelerating the process of our own demise. So what can we do? Is there hope amidst these looming threats? The answer is a resounding yes. Science and understanding are our greatest tools in this fight. Each discovery, each new piece of knowledge brings us one step closer to potentially averting these outcomes. We can harness the power of our sun more efficiently, reducing our dependency on finite resources. We can monitor and prepare for cosmic threats, developing technologies to deflect asteroids or even colonize other planets. And we can work towards more sustainable practices, mitigating the damage we inflict on our own home. These actions require cooperation on a global scale, a collective effort to ensure our survival. It's a daunting task, but one that we, as a species, are capable of. The end of the Earth may seem like a distant abstract concept, but by understanding the science behind it, we can work towards a future where this mystery remains unsolved.